Today was a hard day, and I'm making myself banana bread to feel good about it. But one of the things that I had to learn today is that you are a person, not a machine. And I feel like there's a lot of people, gurus, bro hustlers, whatever you may call it, that tell you that you need to show up every single day. If you're not booking sales calls, if you're not, being consistent, then you're not actually succeeding. And honestly, it's like a load of crap because I feel like there is this part of this journey as you are building a business, as you're heading towards your goals, where you do need to take into account that rest is part of that journey because you are a person that has emotions, that has energy. You are not a machine. And I really just want to like call out and say to you, like sometimes you also just need to be told that you're doing a good job. So I'm here to tell you you're doing a good job. You're doing the best that you can. And so, I think there's this layer where it's like, okay, you're not a person. You are a person. You're not a machine. What do you do for the days that you just don't feel like showing up, honestly? And I have not really figured that out other than from the perspective of like honor those days that you don't want to show up, but more importantly, build systems that show up for you when you choose not to. And so this is not a brag, but this is like truly like something that I'm so proud of is like today I just had a shitty day. I didn't go to the gym. I didn't hit my protein goal. I did do my supplements, so that was a good thing. But I just didn't work on the business today because I've just had a really stressful day in other areas of my life. But what were the systems that I built that are continuing to work for me when I have days like this where I don't want to work, when all I want to do is just like make myself some banana bread? Well, I have my little notes here. What did I accomplish today? Apparently, with my automations tracking, like I have 80 people who signed up for my leverage creator waitlist where I show creators, knowledge creators, how to automate their business. That's like up 5 people from 75, which I think was a couple days ago. And I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything new. So that was pretty cool. Today I sold a digital product for something that I created like almost a year ago and it's still selling. So that feels really good. And another thing that I did, apparently, in terms of my automations there for me, is that I had 15 plus people answer a survey that I wanted, and I have an automation that automatically takes that information and like can tell me on demand at any point in time. And I have a clear course winner that probably next month I'm going to be creating a course based on what my audience wants. I have an automation that pulls that information for me. And lastly, in terms of what's the one thing I did today for depth and nurturing my relationships, is I'm making myself some fucking banana bread. And I am super happy to do it. And I'm just spending time with my partner, cuddling. And after this, like, we're gonna eat banana bread and we're gonna play some fucking video games. And I'm so excited for that because I just need that for myself. So I just want to let you know again, you're a person, you're not a machine. There are going to be days that you just don't want to show up. Honor those days, but more importantly, build systems that show up for you for the days where you just can't. And hell, make yourself some banana bread in the process. But that's all I have. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.